Mahina lang yung boses ko, nahiya ko kasi nasa harap ako ng bintana. Yan, maririnig ng kapitbahay na kahiya. Hello mga Sibs! Welcome and thank you for coming back to my channel. Kung nanibago kayo ngayon sa setup kasi nandito ako sa harap ng bintana. Yan, brown out po kasi. Habang nagtuturo ako ng modules ng aking bunso, naisipan ko na gumawa ng tutorial sa araw na to. Yung awit ng Musikatha na sayo. Hindi ko natabunan na kung sino yung nag-request nito, pero shoutout sa'yo, Sibs, kung sino ka man, comment ka. Anyways, without further much ado, let's get started. Grab na your ukulele and make sure na ito ay nasa standard tuning ng G, C, E, A. For this song, we're gonna need 7 easy chords. First chord is B flat. By the way, ang numbering ng strings natin is first, second, third, and fourth string. Fourth, third, second, first. Okay? Yung string na malapit sa floor, yun yung first string. And then yung string na malapit sa face mo is yung fourth string. Okay? First chord is B flat. Ibabar mo yung first and second string ng first fret, and then put your middle finger sa third string ng second fret, ring finger sa fourth string ng third fret. And the B flat should sound like this. Next is F chord. Put your index finger sa second string ng first fret, middle finger sa fourth string ng second fret. F. Next is G minor. Index finger sa first string ng first fret, middle finger sa third string ng second fret, and then ring finger sa second string ng third fret. G minor. Next is C7. Ito lang. Index finger sa first string ng first fret. Next is C chord. Ring finger mo sa third fret, first string. Next is D minor. Index finger mo sa second string ng first fret, middle finger mo sa fourth string ng second fret, and then your ring finger mo sa third string ng second fret pa rin yan. Next is A7. Itong index finger mo sa third string ng first fret. And there you have it, the 7 easy chords na kailangan mo para sa awit na to. Ang ating strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. A little bit slower para sa mga beginners. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, ganito yung sound niya. Sa intro ng song, gagamitin natin yung laging tinuturo ko kapag may bracket. Ibig sabihin, maghahati sila sa strumming pattern. As you can see on the screen, B flat and F ay sa loob ng bracket. So that means maghahati sila. So B flat is down, down, and then lipat agad sa F. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then G minor, down, down, and then C7, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And another strumming pattern ulit para sa C7, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, the intro should sound like this. Sa verse 1 ng awit na ito, first chord is F, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, and then B flat. So may bracket, so maghahati sila. Down, down, and then sa C, up, 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 down, up, down, up, and then F, down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then B flat, down, down, C ulit, up, 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 down, up, and then D minor, down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then G minor, down, down, up, 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 down, up, and then C, down, down, up, 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 down, up. So, ito yung verse 1 without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern. O Diyos, sa iyong lahat ng pagsamba't luwalhati, maging ang pinakamainam kong awit ay aawitin sa iyo. And then punta tayo sa verse 2. Yung verse 2, same lang siya ng verse 1, yung chords niya. Syempre nag-iba lang yung lyrics. So, i-demo ko na ulit sa inyo yung verse 2. O Diyos, ang aking isipan ay pagharian mo. Sa aking puso ay hindi na magalaho, tanging pag-ibig sa'yo. And then, punta na tayo sa chorus. Sa chorus, ang first chord natin is yung B flat. Grabe yung pawis ko, mga sibs. Ang tagal ng kuryente. Oh my God. Okay. First chord is yung B flat. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. And then A7. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. And then D minor, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then G, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then F, sa kung ano man, down, down, up, down, up. B flat again, down, down, up, down, up. F, down, down, up, down, up. A7, down, down, up, down, up. And then, eto na naman yung bracket. So, hati ulit. So, B flat, down, down, and then F, up, down, up. Sorry sa ingay, mga sibs. Next, G minor, down, down, and then C, up, down, up. And then F, down, down, up, down, up. Ang kulit na asawa ko. Sabi, may power na. So, hallelujah. Alam ko, may power na. Okay, without me having to say the chords and strumming pattern, this should sound like this. Ano ba bang maihandog ko? Liban sa buhay kong nanggaling sa'yo. Kung ano man sa sandaling ito'y tangan, at mga bagay na tinuring kong yaman, ito'y hindi pa rin sapat sa alay na nararapat sa'yo. Pwede mong idugtong na dun yung ating intro. Bigyan mo ng kadugsong, diba? Dun sa last part, sa'yo. B flat, F, G minor, C7, balik ka ulit. O Diyos, sa iyong lahat ng pagsamba at luwalhati, maging ang pinakamainam kong awit ako na napasarap. Ang sarap kasing umawit talaga kay Lord. And that's it. All the chords, strumming pattern that you need to know about the worship song Sayo by Musikatha. I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating ukulele tutorial for today. Always remember that worship where God isn't moved by the quality of our voice but the condition of the heart. Love and light to you!